Hey people, hope you're doing fine. Quick shout out to Arammcfly, the guy who originally pointed me in the direction of the little device I want to show you right now. As you might recall, this is the Smartphone Studio setup 2019, and there was still one problem left to take care of. You couldn't use the monitor and simultaneously charge the phone, because what we used to hook up the monitor was this HDMI to USB-C adapter. And since the phone also charges via USB-C, you couldn't use the monitor and charge the phone via an external power source. However, now you can. It's quite simple. What we're going to do is we're going to exchange the original HDMI to USB-C adapter for this one. This is also an HDMI to USB-C adapter, but this one also features USB charging. It's quite a simple operation, really. Unplug the original adapter, plug the new one into the HDMI cable and the phone, of course. Wait a couple of seconds and monitor live view is back. And now, if you want to simultaneously charge the phone, grab the charging cable from the power bank and plug it in. And as you're going to see in a moment, right here, the phone will start charging, and there it is. So now you can simultaneously use the monitor for live view and charge your phone. By the way, if you want to know how to build this setup, check out the video I've linked in the top right hand corner. And now, so Arammcfly and everybody else, of course, if you liked the video, if you found it helpful, please make sure to leave a thumbs up. It's greatly appreciated. Any kind of comment or feedback is welcome, and I'll try to answer as quickly as possible. All the tech that I've used in this video is linked in the description. As always, thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching, and hopefully see you again soon.